Hello everyone. You can learn the basics of networking by following this playlist. The subject of the first video is what is a network. A network is the connection of two or more devices to each other to share their resources. Shared resources in a network can be software or hardware. Software resources are data such as files, videos, and emails. For example, imagine watching a video on YouTube.com. The video you watch is located on YouTube servers. You can watch this video on your own computer thanks to the network. In other words, YouTube server can share the video source with you thanks to the network. Hardware resources can be printers. For example, there are 5 computers in a company. If there was no network, 5 computers would need 5 printers. This is quite expensive. Instead, 5 computers can be connected to one printer thanks to the network. Therefore, we reduce costs. In this video, we answered the question of what is a network. I recommend you to watch to the next network lesson. If you have any questions, you can state them in the comments.